Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. A recipe for trail mix requires 3 cups of nuts for every 2 cups of dried fruit. Write a direct variation equation relating the cups of nuts N to the cups of dried fruit D. Then determine how many cups of nuts are needed if you use 8 cups of dried fruit. Now let us work through the solution step by step. A direct variation equation says that one quantity equals a constant times another. Here, the cups of nuts equals some constant K times the cups of dried fruit. As dried fruit increases, nuts increase at a steady rate. The recipe gives us a ratio, 3 cups of nuts for every 2 cups of dried fruit. To find K, we divide nuts by dried fruit. 3 divided by 2 equals 1.5. We substitute K equals 3/2 into the direct variation form. The equation is N equals 3/2 times D. The graph shows a straight line passing through the origin. The slope is 3/2, meaning for every 2 units we move right, we go up 3 units. The point at D equals 8 and N equals 12 shows our answer. Now we plug in D equals 8. 3/2 times 8 equals 24 divided by 2, which equals 12. The direct variation equation is N equals 3/2 times D. When 8 cups of dried fruit are used, you need 12 cups of nuts. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.